CATIA V5 sectioning within core and cavity. So this will be the workbench, and we have the sectioning tool over here. We're gonna see that this command will be exactly the same as the one from assembly design. So if I will just start it over here within a part, we're gonna see that nothing will happen. This is due to the fact that our part has only a part body, and we have over here a sub section over here for core and cavity. So two geometrical sets. Now, if I will jump, for example, within an assembly, and I have over here the following, we're going to see that within the large assembly, the product, the activated workbench will be mold tooling design. And if I will double click over here on a part, in this case on this step 5 for the main frame, we're going to see that now the sectioning feature over here will work. So this will work exactly the same as the one from assembly design. As you can see, this will section all the elements, not only the one that is currently being selected. So we see over here, for example, the monitor, the Acer monitor is located over here outside this element, but we can still have that sectioning. At the same time, the sectioning will work within the mannequin, even though the mannequin will be added over here. So not directly within the same part. Again, keep in mind that this is the same feature just like in assembly design. We just have it located over here within core and cavity workbench, so we can better do some sectioning within the model to see exactly how those model will look within the section. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I'll also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.